Hi everyone, let's discuss how to transfer a block of data from one location to another in 8085. We'll see this program in two ways, that is in serial order and reverse order. So first we'll move to the first type, that we can transfer a block of data from one location to another location in serial order. To do this program, we require some instructions like LXI, MVI, LDAX, STAX, INX, DCR, JNZ, RST. So first, before moving to the program, let us understand what these all instructions means. LXI stands for load immediately particular 16-bit data from the particular location to the any pairs like BC, DE, HL pair. So we are loading immediately or we are initializing some location to the any register pairs. Then MVI stands for move immediately 8-bit data into the specified registers. Then LDAX. LDAX means load indirectly accumulator from any pairs like BC pair, DE pair, HL pair. In the same way, STAX stands for store accumulator content indirectly into the any register pairs. Then we are moving to the INX instruction. INX stands for incrementing the any register pair locations. Then DCR stands for decrementing the any register value, not a location. Then JNZ. JNZ, it is a one type of branch instruction. J stands for jump, NZ stands for no zero. Until unless that zero flag is reset, it should make the condition to go back with respect to the specified label. Then RST stands for restart instruction. It is similar of halt instruction. So we'll see how to write a program. LXI B, 9000. Here I am made input from the 9000 location. Like you can see here 10, 20, 30, 40. From 9000 onwards I am initializing my data, that 10, 20, 30, 40 from 9000 location. Those locations values I am loading immediately into the BC pair. So that can be written in the instruction LXI B, 9000. Then LXI D, 9100. From 9100 I am initializing those locations for output. To display output in the location 9100, I am initializing into as DE pair by using LXI D, 9100. So we can get the answer in the 9100. So my main intention here to transfer a block of data from 9000 location, that 10, 20, 30, 40 into the output location 9100, same in the serial order. Then I am taking here only 4 inputs as a counter. To do that, I have to make one register as a counter by using MVI instruction. That MVI H,04. And 04 is a 4 inputs I am taking. That 04 I am moving immediately into the H register. This is the first declarations. Then we'll start with the program with the label back. In that LDAXB means in the BC pair we have initialized as a 9000. So first value is 10. That 10 is loading indirectly into the accumulator. Then STAX means store that accumulator content. Now at present we have 10. That I want to store into the DE pair, that is initialized initially by 9100. Like that I am transferring from 9000 to 9100 same value, that is 10. Then once the first location has been transferred, I have to move to the next location to transfer. I have to use INXB. INXB stands for it increments the BC pair location from 9000 to 9001. Like that INXD stands for incrementing the D pair location from 9100 to 9101 at the output. Then I have to decrement the H, which is a counter. Initially first values got transferred, means first input got over. So I have to decrement 04 by 1, that is now my H value is 03. JNZ back means it is for a loop sake. JNZ stands for jump on no zero. Until unless this H becomes 0, you have to go back, means 4 times I have to take this loop. When this JNZ back it is gets reset, means it jump on 0, Whenever H becomes 0, it should comes down and it restarts the program. This is what a program of transferring the block of data from one location to another location in serial order. Same way you can see here in the reverse order. That is a same type of program I have to transfer. You can see first input I have taken 9000 onwards, that 10, 20, 30, 40. I have to get the output in the form 9100 in the reverse order. 9003, whatever we have 40, that should come first, then 30, then 20, then 10. The same thing I am transferring the block of data but in the reverse order. To do that, how to write a program, we'll see. We are using almost all the instruction in the similar way, but little bit we have to change it. Like first initialization only, LXI B, 9003. I'll set my first initialization from 9003 as my 40 value I am taking to the BC pair because I have to transfer in the reverse order. Then LXI D, 9100. This is I am keeping as it is because in the 9100 I have to get that 40. This is I am making in the serial and input I am taking in the reverse order as a initial declaration. Then MVI H, 04, it is same way as a counter for 4 value. Then we start the program with the label back. LDAX B means from the BC pair. BC pair is initialized by 9003 which has 40 value. That 40 I am moving to the loading to the accumulator. And STAX D means store that accumulator value 40 into the DE pair. DE pair is initialized by 9100. Then it decrements the BC pair, that 9003 to 9002. Here I have to decrement instead of increment. Then INXD to increment the output location from 9100 to 9101. Then decrement the counter by DCRH. Then J on Z back means 4 times it has to take the counter. Then restart the value. Like that we can transfer the block of data in reverse order. Thank you.